Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about glycolysis. It is the initial metabolic pathway of carbohydrate metabolism. That means the metabolism of the carbohydrate begins from these steps. First, what is glycolysis? Glycolysis is the breakdown or lysis of glucose to form pyruvate and lactate. Here, first of all, two pyruvate molecules will be formed, and the pyruvate molecules are the 3 carbon molecules. And the glycolysis is a 10 steps process. Now comes the process of the glycolysis. In the glycolysis, first you have to remember there are some irreversible and reversible steps. Then, which are the irreversible steps of glycolysis? From glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, you can see that it is the irreversible steps or one-way steps. Then from fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, it is also a irreversible steps. And last of all, from the phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate forms, and it is also irreversible steps. That means for remembering easily, you have to know that the 1, 3 and 9 position of the cycle will be the irreversible steps of glycolysis. Now comes the subproducts and the enzymes of glycolysis. How you can easily remember the products and enzymes name easily. So first of all, I will tell you a story. There are gross guys and also the good boys. The gross guys favor only big, but the good boys prefer pretty girls in pink pajamas. It's only for the mnemonics to remember the products of the glycolysis. So you can see that gross G for the glucose, then against G for the glucose 6-phosphate. Then favor F is for the fructose 6-phosphate. Then big but here B indicates the bisphosphate. Then against the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Then good G for the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And boys for the again bisphosphoglycerate. So 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Then P for the 3-phosphoglycerate. Here the phosphoglycerate will be at the 3rd carbon position. And then the 2-phosphoglycerate against P indicates then the 2nd carbon position, there will be the phosphoglycerate. Then the phosphoenol pyruvate will be formed. Here's the pink P indicates the phosphoenol pyruvate and the pajamas for the pyruvate. It's the easy way to remember the products of the glycolysis. Now comes the enzymes. First you have to hear a story. It's just to remember the mnemonics of the enzymes. A girl named Helen. She paints pictures around a training ground, and she prays that people enjoy her paintings. So the mnemonics will be Helen paints pictures around the training grounds and praying people enjoy paintings. Then Helen for the hexokinase, then P for the phosphoglucose isomerase, then pictures P indicates the phosphofructokinase and around indicates the aldolase, and training T indicates the triose phosphate isomerase, and G indicates the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, and praying P indicates the phosphoglycerate kinase, and then the phosphoglycerate mutase against P for the people, and enjoy E indicates the enolase, and the paintings P indicates the pyruvate kinase. That's the easy way to remember the products and enzymes name of the glycolysis. In this way you can easily remember the steps of glycolysis and also the enzymes name of the glycolysis. And in this way you can remember the cycle of the glycolysis very easily. That's it. Thank you.